If you want to attend a workshop with Richard Gordon himself, that's a good opportunity. And you will certainly enjoy being part of this community and live this experience of becoming more. Sometimes I receive emails from people asking me if Richard Gordon is still offering workshops. I'll talk about that in a minute. When QuantoTouch started, it was hands-on technique. That's why it is QuantoTouch. We had to touch people, the part of the body affected by the disease. And then there was a breakthrough when he found out it was possible to do this technique even more powerful without touching the client. There were a couple of breakthroughs, and the seventh one is becoming more. It's the most recent breakthrough. If you want to know about all of them, you can go to the website quantotouch.com and you can see all the courses offered, all the breakthroughs. And the seventh one is becoming more with Richard Gordon. On the 24th of February, he'll be in Florida offering one on-site workshop regarding his newest breakthrough, the seventh one, becoming more. If you want to attend a workshop with Richard Gordon himself, that's a good opportunity. Click on the link below on the description of this video and on the comment section of this video, and you will certainly enjoy being part of this community and live this experience of becoming more.